The Crypto Markets Update is presented by Grayscale, the world's largest digital currency asset manager. All right, let's have a live look at Bitcoin. The CoinDesk Bitcoin price XBX index currently trading at $57,837. Bitcoin is down over 2% over the past 24 hours. Taking a look at the CoinDesk Ether price ETX index is up about almost 1%, trading at $4,211. And the DFX CoinDesk DeFi index at 555 points. DeFi, though, slightly down about 0.7%. Joining us now to discuss the crypto markets is Haohan Xu, CEO of crypto trading platform Apifiny. Hello there. Welcome, Haohan. All right, so the crypto markets are taking another step back. How low do you see Bitcoin going?
Well, we have been seeing Bitcoin failing to consolidate at its recent highs, but I think people calling for the bear seem to have taken the correction a bit, taken the rally a bit for granted. So the correction is minimal compared to what we saw in the past 2 months. So I think what's happening right now is just a healthy pullback after a fast 7-week rally from 40K to 69K, which is well over 70% gain. So the pullback is completely normal in an upward trend like this.
Is anything in particular driving this pullback, or is it just kind of the flow of the market?
I think just the flow of the market.
So we've kind of seen this decline in demand for leverage, but the open interest is still there. It's still relatively high compared to where it was a couple of months ago. Do you think that we might see, is there at least a threat where we could have mass liquidations if prices inch down lower and lower? Even if it kind of goes gradually, all of a sudden it could just kind of hit suddenly. Do you think that's a threat?
Yes, indeed. So based on the data we're seeing, we'll also see a significant shift in trading volume from Bitcoin to Ethereum and other altcoins. So the demand is definitely shifting to other coins as well. So the fact that Bitcoin is falling drastically in the past few days could be a threat to the Bitcoin price. Yeah.
You also mentioned, looking at some of your notes from earlier, that Taproot might have an impact. Do you believe that the benefits of Taproot are already priced in, or we might see them a little longer down the way for Bitcoin?
Yeah, so I think it is priced in already. So the Taproot upgrade is actually a combination of 3 upgrades, right? Short signatures, Taproot itself, smart contracts. So altogether, they kind of expand on Bitcoin's smart contract flexibility, so which offers more efficiency and privacy in doing so. So even after the Taproot upgrade, Bitcoin likely won't ever be as versatile as Ethereum in smart contracts, but having Taproot definitely helps. Ethereum and Solana have much more, battle-tested programmability. But one thing we know for sure is that Taproot upgrade will bring more flexibility to the developers and efficiencies to the entire Bitcoin protocol. So this could start driving more innovation and even demand to the protocol and help the entire network thrive.
So if we have somewhat positive tailwinds here, why is there nonetheless this sort of lack of enthusiasm at the end of this year for, you could say, well, it's a healthy pullback, but why aren't people buying the dips as would be expected at these prices?
I think people will actually come in and buy the dips. So usually how institutions think is quite different from the retail traders. So usually during these dips, institutions see it as a good opportunity for market entry. As I said earlier, I think because the rally has been really aggressive in the past few weeks, it's just a healthy correction at this point.